To where this bumps into the back of your leg.
All right, this is our subject here. This walleye. Merciful. Oh yeah, she's just watching. Okay, wait, and stand like here, and like hold it with me legs.
You don't have to hold it, like you don't squeeze it. No,
Don't squeeze it.
Just stand there.
Okay, just stand it.
Like spread your legs a little bit. And,
oh, look at that prop. That's cool. That's so cool. So if my legs are there, obviously would be taking off. That is the coolest thing ever. Okay, I'm getting out. Don't let her fly away. Nate. Y'all tell me that's not the coolest thing you've ever seen. Cool. We'll have to take it out for a flight soon. It's dark outside. Or we would. Don't be flying that in here. Okay.